Hey guys, Pokepools here, and today we have 2 Plasma Blast packs and a Plasma Storm pack. So, guess we'll start with Palkia. We got Houndour, Ducklet, Snorunt, Ramarade, Throw, Chatot, Plume Fossil, Plum, whatever, Wartortle, Iris Reverse Holo, and a Reuniclus Rare. Dialga pack. We got Bagon, Larvesta, Porygon, Teddiursa, Solosis, Gallade, Ultra Ball, Abomasnow, Aeron Reverse Holo, and a Machamp Rare. It's the last pack here. Hopefully we can get something good. We got Squirtle, Magnemite, Turtwig, Doduo, Carvanha, Durant, Lucario, Simisear, Team Plasma Grunt Reverse Holo, and a Cherrim Rare. See you guys next time. Peace out.